Welcome to Valmet service centers in Sweden, where we proudly serve board, paper, and tissue makers across Scandinavia.
Hello, my name is Erik Österberg and I'm excited to welcome you to Valmet Service Center in Karlstad. Here we specialize in the latest roll technologies, roll covering solutions and roll maintenance expertise.
At Karlstad, we use the latest process equipment to boost production efficiency, enhance quality, and shorten lead times. For our customers, this means reliable on-time deliveries and high quality. To help you achieve maximum performance and extend the lifespan of your rolls, we offer advanced roll maintenance, reconditioning, and upgrade services. Our maintenance services cater to various roll types, including those not manufactured by Valmet. Valmet's roll covers provide excellent wear resistance and extend regrinding intervals. Our roll experts assist you in selecting the optimal roll cover for each paper grade and application, ensuring improved runnability and superior end product quality. All rolls serviced in our workshops undergo rigorous testing to ensure smooth and trouble-free startup and guarantee their operational reliability.
Hi, I'm Thomas Hjelm. I'm the supervisor here in Borlänge. In Borlänge Valmet Service Center, we focus on roll grinding and maintenance.
Our state-of-the-art 3D grinding machines ensure long running times and minimized vibration for our customers' processes. With Valmet's comprehensive service portfolio, including maintenance, upgrades, and long-term service agreements, we help you improve energy and water efficiency, eliminate unplanned shutdowns, and reduce long-term maintenance costs. We hope you enjoyed this brief virtual visit. We look forward to welcoming you to our service centers and helping you find the best service solutions for your rolls.